So I've left the Speicherstadt and now I'm walking towards the Landungsbrücken, which is right behind me. So I'm sitting here somewhere between the Landungsbrücken and the Speicherstadt, and in front of me I can see the MyGerman.Recipes, which is a sailing ship that is turned into a museum, and you can go in there and have a look at some exhibitions, and they even have their own post office in there, and if you send a postcard from Hamburg, you should definitely use this post office to send it because they have their own stamp. Okay, it's quite loud here now. Also in front of me I can see the Lion King and Eiskönigin ice cream musical halls. There are two musical halls here right across the water and you can go there by ship. So I got a little hungry and I got myself a Fischbrötchen with a fish frikadelle, and the recipe for making a fish frikadelle you will find here on my channel. Filming yesterday because I had to recharge my phone first. So today I'm back at the Landungsbrücken again, and right behind me you can see Blumenfoss. This place is a very important industry here for Hamburg. They repair and build ships. And also here at the Landungsbrücken is the Alter Elbtunnel, old Elbtunnel, and let me show you what that is. Behind me you can see one of the two large elevators that can carry a car and bring it down to the tunnel. I'm not going to do this right now because I want to show you the stairs. most places here you have to wear a mask, and I'm now walking through the Elbtunnel and will go upstairs on the other side of it and show you the view to the harbor from there. I'm now on the opposite side of where I was before. You can see the Landungsbrücken somewhere behind me. It's probably a little bit crowded over there. The river that I just crossed underneath is the river Elbe, and it flows into the Northern Sea. And the length of the tunnel is 426 meters, which is about a quarter of a mile.